A question from quadrilaterals, and the quadrilateral which we have considered for today is a rhombus. Okay, so in our question it's given that PQRS is a rhombus, right? Let's say if this is P, then it will go upside, and here also, and all the sides of rhombus are equal, we know it, right? I hope this is looking like a rhombus, right? So the PQRS is a rhombus given to us, and it's also given that one of the angle P is given to you as equal to 120 degree, right? And it's also given that the diagonals of this rhombus intersect each other at O. This is PR is one of the diagonal, and QS or SQ is another diagonal, right? Now they are intersecting at O. Fine, they are intersecting at O, and it's given that the length of OP, this one, O to P, this section here, this OP is given to you as 3 centimeter, right? So into this question, it has been asked that what is the side of this rhombus? What is the side? What is the length of RQ? What is the length of RS? What is the length of PS? What is the length of PQ? Okay. So this is the question. Now, to solve this question, we just remember the properties of a rhombus. The two properties of the rhombus which we are having readily that should be remembered to us is that the diagonals of a rhombus intersect each other, basically not intersect, that bisect each other, and that intersection will be at 90 degree. So that confirms that all the four angles where the diagonals intersect will be of 90 degree, right? Now we need to find the length of the side of this rhombus. Another property of rhombus is that all the sides of a rhombus are equal, right? So students, it's a very beautiful question. Into this, when you see that angle P is given to you as 120 degree, right? This angle P is given to you as 120 degree. So we can see that since these diagonals are crossing through it, and in this way we can say that this angle 120 degree is divided into two equal parts, right? So this will be 60 degree, that is angle RPQ will be angle RPQ will be 60 degree, right? Similarly, angle SPR, this is equal to 60 degree, right? So I'm writing angle SPR is equal to 60 degree, right? The reason behind angle RPQ plus angle SPR is equal to 120 degree. So PR will be acting as angle bisector, and in this way this angle P will be divided into two equal parts, that is 60 and 60, right? So hi Smart Life Ideas, I am not able to read your question. What is this? Oh, this is a question from quadrilateral Smart Life. So here you can see this is 60 and this is 60. Why we have calculated this, I will show you. Okay, so students, it's also given that the length of OP is 3 here, the dark color OP is 3. So here we can see that this angle of 60 degree is calculated, this one, right? This angle is 60 degree. Now if this angle is 60 degree, this angle is 60 degree, and entire angle P is 120 degree, so this is also a parallelogram. A rhombus is the parallelogram. So here this angle R will also be 120. This angle R will also be nothing but 120, because tell me, because angle P is given to you as 120 degree. If angle R is 120 degree, then this PR, the diagonal, will divide this angle into two equal parts, this of 60 and the lower one, angle ORQ, this one, this of 60. I hope it is visible to you. So here we have almost come to the conclusion of this question. Here just take this triangle PRQ. So let me write, in the triangle PRQ, what will happen? In the triangle PRQ, this angle, that is angle RPQ, I am writing angle RPQ plus angle QRP, angle QRP, right? QRP plus this angle, that is angle Q, right? Plus angle Q. All this will add and will give you 180 degree. Anything wrong into this? Tell me. I don't think, because all the angles of any triangle will add up to form 180 degree. So here we have just calculated angle SPR as 60 degree. This one, angle SPR as 60 degree, right? Similarly, angle QRP, this one, QRP, this angle is also 60 degree. Just marking it with red so that you can easily understand. If this angle is 60 degree, right, and this angle is also 60 degree, right? So we can say, in place of RPQ, this green, we can write 60 degree, and in place of QRP, this red is also 60 degree, thus add 60 degree plus angle Q. So just write angle Q over here, right? And all this will add up to 180 degree. So this will give you the value of angle Q as 180 degree minus 120 degree, which is equal to 60 degree. So angle Q is calculated as 60 degree. So in this way, this angle is also calculated, and the value of this is coming as 60 degree. Oh, great. So we can see that in triangle PRQ, this triangle, right, angle RPQ, this green one is 60, angle SPR This angle QRP, this red one is 60, and the third one is also calculated as 60. So this is an equilateral triangle. Oh, this is an equilateral triangle. An equilateral triangle is formed, right? This is equilateral. This triangle is equilateral. So when this triangle is equilateral, what will happen? Since this triangle PRQ is equilateral, this triangle PRQ is equilateral, right? Here, equilateral. So we can say that all of its sides are equal, isn't it? Then we can say that the length of PR, it's one of the side, is equal to PQ, which is equal to RQ. So here you can see PQ and RQ, these are the side of the rhombus. These are the sides of the rhombus, right? But since PR, PQ and RQ are the three sides of the triangle PRQ, and triangle PRQ, we have just identified that this is an equilateral triangle, then we can say that the length of this diagonal PR will be equal to OP plus OR, and OP is given to you as 3. Then we know the property of a diagonal, property of the diagonals of a rhombus, and that is a basically property of a rhombus, that its diagonal bisect each other at 90 degree. So if we are having a length of OP as 3 centimeter, right? If we are having a length of OP as 3, right? Then into this, if OP is 3, then OR will also be, tell me, 3. Oh, thank you, Smart Life Ideas. Thank you for your compliment. If OP is 3, then OR is also 3. And you know, OP plus OR is nothing but PR. This one. So just add it. When you add it, then this 3 and 3 will be added, and we will be having 6 centimeter as the length of PR. Any doubt into this, students? I don't think, but if any doubt, let me know. So the length of PR is calculated, and we have already declared that triangle PRQ is equilateral. We have not declared, we have proved it. So in this way, if the value of PR is known, then PR equal to PQ equal to RQ, and all this length will be add up to give you, will be equal, equate each other, and that will be equal to 6 centimeter here. And here PQ and RQ are the sides of the rhombus. So can't we say that the side of this rhombus is 6 centimeter? This one. In this way we have solved this question. So the side of this rhombus is 6 centimeter. Side of this rhombus is 6 centimeter. Here 6, here also 6, here also 6 centimeter, because all the sides of a rhombus are equal. In this way, we have proved that this rhombus is having its side measurement as 6 centimeter. So students, in this way we can solve this question, and thank you so much for watching. And I will appreciate if you have any doubts, you can put up into the comment box, and really love to interact with you all. Any doubt you can put up into the comment box. I will try to help you out. But yes, don't hesitate. Just try, let me, I just want to support you in the manner whatever I can. But yes, in any way where I can support you, let me know. I will be always there with you. Thank you so much for watching. Take care. Bye bye.